Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Registry Editor with elevated rights. This ensures you can read and export keys without permission errors. Once open, navigate to the specific key you need to back up or select Computer at the top to capture everything. Make sure to choose a secure folder, ideally on a different partition or external drive, because a good backup must be isolated from system failures. Now prepare to export. Understand whether you need a targeted reg file or a full Hive copy. Once you've chosen the key or Hive, use File then Export to create the backup file. Selecting selected branch reduces size and risk, while all captures the full registry. Name the file with a clear pattern, for example, PC name YIMD HKLM software, so you can track versions. Save into the secure folder you prepared. Make sure to note whether you used reg for simple import or a full binary export for deeper recovery needs, because the import method varies accordingly. To complete the process, import the file by double-clicking the reg or choosing File then Import in Regedit, and then reboot so Windows applies settings cleanly. If import reports errors, don't panic. Instead, boot into the Windows recovery environment and use System Restore or a command line restore from your offline backup. Make sure to verify the target app or setting after reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: if a single key causes failure, import smaller segments to isolate the faulty end.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.